Hey, Scott Burr here, Level 5 Tools. Constantly are getting questions related to what type of knife certain guys want to use and why. So there's basically two different kinds of knives. You got carbon steel, which comes in either blue steel for a taping knife or a polished carbon steel for a joint knife, okay? Then you've got your stainless steel. Again, we've got our one-piece stainless steel. We also have a bi-material soft grip version of that. So you've got your stainless steel and the soft grip as well. But again, the question is, so what's the difference between carbon steel and stainless steel? Well, some people perceive the carbon steel is a little bit more flexible out of the box. Quite frankly, that's a lot more to do with the consistency of the grind. We try to grind these so they've got a nice flex point, mid flex point here. So really between a carbon knife and a stainless knife, you're probably going to see very, very little difference. Now, I can't convince people that believe the carbon steel is more flexible than stainless, that they're very similar or almost the same. So it really does boil down to preference. There's guys that will buy carbon steel, quite frankly, they'll take this and toss it in a bucket and leave it there for a week, pull it out and sand off all the rust, and they'll think that's a perfect flex. Don't recommend that, but there's guys that'll do that. Carbon steel and blue steel, they rust. So if you don't oil those and clean them every night, guess what? They're going to turn orange. They're going to rust because it's carbon steel. Carbon steel rust. Stainless steel, it's got a component in there called chromium, and that chromium helps keep it from corroding. Now, if it's exposed to certain chemicals, say you get fertilizer on it or acidic acid or something like that, it will still tarnish. It can still become a problem, but by and large, stainless steel, it will remain very, very clean and pristine if you clean it and take care of it. Some folks, again, will think that maybe stainless steel may take a little bit longer to break in. Quite frankly, with the advances in material compositions that have been done over the last 20 years, stainless steel now, the way we make it, the way we buy it, and the way we cut this out and actually put this whole system together, I think you'd find that our stainless steel is going to be a lot more flexible than what some people might perceive. The other big advantage of stainless steel is, folks, if you've got a soft grip stainless steel knife from Level 5 Tools, we guarantee that thing for life. If you wear it out or it fails, we're going to replace that. We don't do that on the carbon steel because we know that over time, this is going to rust and fail. So I would just say, if you were raised and you were really brought up using carbon steel and you love carbon steel, you're probably going to stick with carbon steel. Carbon steel is not as big a part of our business as stainless steel is because most guys don't like their product rusting and failing over time. So again, I can't make a recommendation one way or another. All I can tell you is both products are going to be fantastic. You're going to get us behind every single thing you buy from Level 5 Tools. You'll know that a lot of love and care went into it. We listen to the finisher. We're always finisher first. They're going to be fantastic products. You can't go wrong with either one. I will say this though. Don't buy a carbon steel knife and then call me complaining when it rusts, because it will rust. If you're really worried about rust, go with stainless steel. If you like this video and you've watched it on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can always check us out on Facebook and level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.